Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play music in Roblox. To get started, you'll need a boombox, which is an in-game item or access to a game with a built-in music player. Most boomboxes require Robux for purchase, so ensure you have some available. Once you have your boombox, finding and playing your favorite tunes is a straightforward process, allowing you to enhance your gaming experience with personalized audio. It's quite simple. Acquiring a boombox is your next step. Head over to the Roblox avatar shop and search for boombox. You'll find various options, with prices typically ranging from a few hundred to over 1,000 Robux. Select one that fits your style and budget. Alternatively, some games offer free boomboxes or allow you to purchase them directly within the game using in-game currency. Always check the item's description before buying. Now let's find some music. On the Roblox website, navigate to the Create section and then select Audio. Here, you can browse a vast library of sounds and songs. When you find a track you like, copy its unique asset ID number. This ID is crucial for playing the music in your boombox. Remember, not all audio is available for public use due to copyright, so always ensure the track is permitted for in-game playback. Finally, it's time to play your music in-game. Equip your boombox in any game that supports its functionality. Once equipped, an interface, usually a small window or menu, will appear. Paste the music ID you copied earlier into the designated input field. Hit the play button, and your chosen track will start playing, adding a fantastic soundtrack to your Roblox adventures. Enjoy your personalized in-game audio experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.